Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can earn money online. You can earn money by completing simple tasks. This website is 100% legit. I will reveal its name in end of the video. So please keep watching. You can also find it on Trustpilot. Its rating is more than 4. So let's get started. This is the page from where you register. You have to enter your email and password. Or you can simply continue with Google. After creating the account, you face interface like this. On the sidebar, you have two options of tasks, PTC and short links. First, we take a look on PTC. Here you find different tasks. The reward and time is written here. By completing these tasks, you will earn points. There are lots of tasks. So, don't worry. You have to click on View button to activate task. After clicking, you will redirect to website. Here you have to wait for some seconds. After time is completed, you have to go back to original website and verify. After verifying, your balance is updated immediately. Now take a look on other option. Click on Short Links buttons. Here you will also find many more tasks. Complete these tasks and earn more points. Now the main part. Withdraw. To withdraw your earnings, you have to click on Withdraw on sidebar. Here, you will find different options of withdrawal. So, enter your details and withdraw your earnings. Without wasting your time, the name of this website is Via Fauce. Its link is in the description. Go and check it. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, then like, share and subscribe.